third day in a row where I literally give you an ad to go post over social media and write it for you word for word. My ad copy has produced an insane amount of money, and I'm literally doing that for you every day. Then we give you a page to use that's already built for you with a video that's already built for you, and then we show you how to add your link that sends them to a website that's already built for you. Doesn't get any easier. So when I have someone, I'm going to have someone at the end of the week when I talk about how much money we're paying out every Friday, and someone's going to say, boo-hoo, woe is me. I wish I was one of those people. I am going to go and ask them to see all the ads that they posted, seeing that we've given you 3 days now, a different ad for every day, sending them to a different website every day with different ad copy, with different videos, with different graphics. And I want to be like, look, let me see all your posts. And some of you are going to be like, oh, I didn't use those. Or maybe I tried one of them. Well, now we've given you 3 days in a row. Again, lead a horse to water. We can't make them drink. But we are already seeing tons and tons of people that are messaging us saying, I can't believe this. I copied what you gave me word for word, and I'm getting a ton of trials. I can't believe it. I never got any trials before. I had a guy write me last night, man, I already got 2 trials. He goes, I got my first 2 trials off of what you gave me. All I did was copy and paste and use the exact words that you put down, the exact picture you showed me to use, the exact website you showed me to use, and now I'm getting results. Well, duh. We know what works. We've been doing this for 4 years, creating massive incomes for people, and now we're giving it to you on a silver platter. So where are they at? Some of you don't pay attention. They're in this group. Start to scroll down through this group until you find it. You can do a search, if you want. But we've given you last 3 days. We've given you what website to use, what video to use, how to edit the page, everything done for you. All the words written word for word already done for you. Pretty awesome stuff. All right, check it out.